Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Let's learn how to crochet this lace pattern. This is my crochet hook, 1.25 millimeters. You can make the foundation chain as you want. Don't skip the video until end and subscribe my channel and don't forget to like the video. Skip last chain, make a half double crochet, make one half double crochet into each every stitches. Now I finished my foundation. Turn the work, chain 2, 3, 4, skip 2 stitches, then make a 1 double crochet, one double crochet into the next chain, chain 2, 1 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, 1 double crochet into next stitch. Continue the pattern until end. Now I finish my second row. Turn the work, chain 2, pull the yarn through the large space 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hold all loops, then make a single crochet into the small space, then pull the yarn through 2 loops, again 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, Now finish. Chain 1, then single crochet into this stitch, 1 single crochet, again 1 single crochet, next stitch, 1 single crochet, 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 1 single crochet into the small space, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, pull the yarn over, 2, 3, 3 times, 1 single crochet into the small space, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet into the stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 1 single crochet into next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the last stitch, 1 single crochet in this space. Continue the pattern until the end. This is final result. Thank you for watching.